Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a polynomial inequality. The given inequality is 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. We have to find the values of x that satisfy this inequality. This is a quadratic inequality because this expression is a quadratic expression. The first step is to factor this quadratic expression. This is a complex trinomial, so we can factor it using complex trinomial factoring. We can use the decomposition method to factor this expression. We have to find two numbers whose sum is 7, the coefficient of the x term, and product should be equal to 2 times -4, which is equal to -8. We have to find two numbers whose sum is 7 and product is -8. In order to find the numbers, we should focus on the product number. We should think of two numbers that multiply to -8. The first pair that comes to my mind is -1 and 8. -1 plus 8 is equal to +7. That means the numbers we are looking for are -1 and 8. We should use these two numbers to break up the middle term 7x. We replace 7x with -1x plus 8x. Now we have to use the grouping method to factor this expression. We should pair the first two terms and the last two terms and do common factoring from each pair. From the first pair, 2x squared minus 1x, we can factor out an x. And from the second pair, we can factor out a 4. Now we can factor out 2x minus 1 from both terms. And we are left with x plus 4 in the second parentheses. This is the factored form of the given quadratic expression. Next, we should find the x-intercepts of this quadratic expression by setting these two factors equal to 0 and solving for x. The first x-intercept is 1 over 2. Now we can find the second x-intercept. The other x-intercept is -4. The x-intercepts are 1 over 2 and -4. Now we can use the number line method to find the solution for the given inequality. We should plot the x-intercepts. These two x-intercepts break up the number line into three parts. We have to find which of these three parts satisfy the given inequality. We should use a test value from each of these number line parts. On the left side of -4, we can use the test value -5. Between -4 and half, we can use the test value 0. To the right side of half, we can use the test value 1. We should sub in these test values one by one in the given inequality. Let's start with the test value -5. We should sub in x as -5. Negative 5 squared is equal to positive 25. I get 11, which is greater than 0. That means the inequality is satisfied in the interval to the left side of negative 4. At x equals negative 4, the inequality is satisfied because at x equals negative 4, the quadratic expression is equal to 0. Negative 4 is an x-intercept of the quadratic expression 2x squared plus 7x minus 4. So negative 4 should be part of the solution. Next, we can use the test value 0. 2 times 0 square is equal to 0. 7 times 0 is 0. I get negative 4, which is less than 0. Therefore, the inequality is not satisfied in the interval between negative 4 and positive half. At x equals half, the quadratic expression 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 is equal to 0 because x equals half is the x-intercept of this quadratic expression. So x equals half should be part of the solution for this inequality. Next, we can use the test value 1. 2 times 1 square is 2. 7 times 1 is 7. I get 5, which is greater than 0. Therefore, the inequality is satisfied in the interval to the right side of 1 over 2. So we can write the solution for this inequality in inequality notation as we include negative 4 and half in our solution because at negative 4 and 1 over 2, the quadratic expression is equal to 0. We can write the solution in interval notation as this should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.